Hi, I'm Ruby and it is Eat What You Want Day. I don't know why there's a day for it, I do this every day. But if you're after something to eat for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner, this is the recipe for you. We have got a delicious chocolate sponge with gorgeous orange undertones, and then it's all sandwiched between a deliciously chocolate custard. We've got our oven on at 160 fan, and we're gonna go into the saucepan with some of our lovely Stork. And we're going to gently melt that Stork down. Take that off the heat, and we're going to go in with 2 of our eggs. Just crack that in. And then we're going to go in with our hazelnut milk. It's going to give some delicious flavour. Let's go in with our buttermilk now. And finally, let's go in with our vanilla bean paste. Let's scoop that in, and we're going to whisk that all up. That's now combined well, the eggs are broken down, and we can get on with getting our dry ingredients ready. So, into a nice large bowl, let's sift in all of our self-raising flour, our cocoa powder. This will give it a really nice chocolatey sponge. And let's go in with our raising agent. Then next in, we're going to go in with our light muscovado sugar, which is a great alternative to using maybe normal caster sugar. This will just give a real richer, gorgeously flavoured sponge. And then just as a little cheeky twist on a chocolate sponge, let's go in with some orange. I am such a huge fan of chocolate orange. So we're going to go and grate in just the zest of 2 of them. That smells so good. Next step, we're going to be incorporating our wet ingredients with our dry ingredients. So in here again, we've got the Stork, hazelnut milk, we've got our buttermilk, and we've also got our vanilla bean paste and our 2 eggs. So we've got 3 tins which have already been lined. They're about 8 inches, and we're going to try and separate these nice and evenly. These are now poured in, and they're ready to go into the oven for about 25 minutes. So let's get cracking with our custard. This is so delicious. You're gonna have to try and stop yourself from eating it before the cake's done. So I'm gonna pop the milk into the saucepan, pop this on a medium heat, and also into there, we're gonna go in with our cocoa powder. We've also got our vanilla bean paste, our golden caster sugar, and to finish it off, we're gonna go in with some golden syrup. But whilst that is doing its thing in the saucepan, let's mix up some corn flour and some water. This is brilliant thickening agent. Mix that until it's nice and smooth. And then we're going to pop in our corn flour. Perfect. This is looking absolutely divine. Look at that. Now we're going to go in with our chocolate callets, just for that added chocolatiness, because you know we have not got enough already, clearly. And to finish off, we're going to add some Stork. This will give it a real nice, glossy, rich, smooth finish. Give it a good mix. Oh, doesn't that look good? I'm going to pop that into a tray now and let that cool down. We're going to pop some cling film on top. That will stop it from forming a skin, and then we're going to pop it straight into the fridge. Now our cakes are cooled, our custard's cooled. Now it's just time to construct, which is the best bit. So let's take a sponge, got a serrated knife, we just want to level this out, which can be a tricky job, but we just want to make sure our tops are nice and flat and even. Now, don't be tempted to start chomping on these already. We need these offcuts for a bit later on. So, nice steady hand, nice level eye. Our cake has been chilling in the fridge for about an hour, so we're going to pop our cut-offs into the food processor, blitz them all up, and then coat the outside. So let's get coating some of this delicious crumb. You can just press it in, just like that. And there you have it, my gorgeous Brooklyn Blackout cake. We've used Stork to get a really nice light and fluffy sponge, and then also used it for a really glossy finish on the cake. Perfect for eat what you want day, a birthday, a celebration, or just because it's a Tuesday. Why don't you give it a go?